Kia car ambient light modification. First, let's start with the main driver. Let's first remove the screws of the driver's doorknob. Second, pry open the panel inside the driver's armrest box and remove the screws inside. Third, pry open the triangular panel in the upper right corner of the driver. Fourth, rent the door with your hand. Then put all the plugs inside. This is what it looks like after being removed. Fifth, we are tearing down other doors in the same way. This is what all the doors look like after they are removed. Sixth, let's install light strips from the main driver. We stuffed the light strip through the cracks in the panel. Seven, and then all other doors are also operated in the above way. Eighth, let's test the voltage with a universal meter and wait for a 12V power supply to connect. 9. We connect the power supply of the light belt and the mainframe box. We tore open the measured power supply cord and connect the interface of the lamp with the power cord. Then connect the ground wire with a power cord to the metal screw of the door. You can see that the ambient lights were already on when you were in the car. 10. We remember to tidy up all the wire harness in the door to prevent poor contact. The power supply wiring of other door ambient lights is the same. Finally, we installed all the doors and finished it.